Thank you so much, Lauren Coe, for those kind and insightful words. Now, please welcome our next guest, NP Turnbull, or Ryan Turnbull.
Thank you very much. Well, good afternoon or good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's truly an honor to be here today at the open house for the new location of Cambridge International Academy here in Whitby. I remember just a couple of months ago where I was meeting with individuals that were running the school in Ajax and talking about how they wanted to see if they could find a location here in Whitby. So it's great to see Cambridge International Academy has found a new home. I extend my gratitude to the Academy and Director Lin Lin and Principal Sandra Arf for extending this invitation to me. As your Member of Parliament in Whitby, I understand the critical role that education plays in shaping our society and driving positive change. I commend the Academy for its dedication to providing quality education and support services to students from diverse backgrounds. Education serves as a powerful catalyst for change, empowering individuals to address complex global challenges and contribute meaningfully to our communities. It is through education that we equip our youth with the knowledge, skills, and perspectives needed in a thriving and ever-changing world. I'm particularly impressed by the Academy's commitment to sustainability and social change by educating students about environmental issues, sustainability principles, and responsible citizenship. The Academy is helping to build a more environmentally conscious and equitable society. Equitable access to education is a fundamental principle that I think all of us politicians, but all community leaders must strive to uphold. Every individual, regardless of background or socioeconomic status, deserves access to quality education. So I commend the Academy for its efforts to ensure that all students can reach their full potential. The array of programs offered here is truly commendable. Further, the support services offered by the Academy, including assistance with visa applications and accommodation arrangement, demonstrate the institution's commitment to facilitating a smooth transition for international students and ensuring their success. As we celebrate the opening of this new location, I'm confident the Academy will continue to make a positive impact on the lives of students and our community here in Whitby. The relocation of this institution signifies a commitment to excellence in education and a dedication to serving the needs of students in Whitby and the surrounding area. So thank you once again for the invitation and congratulations on this new beginning. Thank you very much.